I am Raini, and this time we are going to learn about descriptive text. But before we start, I'm going to read you a text. Please check it out. Tanah Lot is a very famous tourist destination in Bali. Many tourists come to enjoy the magnificent view of its unique of the shore setting, and it is one of the most popular iconic features of Bali. Tanah Lot is one of the main temples in the worship of Balinese gods built by Danyang Nirarte. It has been part of Balinese mythology for centuries. It is very easy to reach the place. Tanah Lot is located in Beraban Village, Kediri Sub-District, Tabanan Regency. It is only around 30 kilometers away from Denpasar, and there are many large signs at the main intersection to show the way to reach the place. Situated on the rocky beach west coastal side of Bali Island, Tanah Lot offers a magnificent scenery for those who come to pray at the temple or only to enjoy the view. In the afternoons, visitors can enjoy the beautiful sunset, and there are also some poisonous snakes live in nearby caves which are believed to guard the temple. So, what is the text about? Yes, you are right. The text is about Tanah Lot, and Tanah Lot is a very famous tourist destination in Bali. And the text that I have already read for you is a kind of descriptive text. And in this video, we are going to learn about the definitions of descriptive text, the social functions of descriptive text, and the generic structure of descriptive text. And of course, we are going to analyze the text that I have already read for you. Please check it out. After reading the text about Tanah Lot, do you know what descriptive text is? Yes, descriptive text is a piece of writing that lists the characteristics of a person, place, or things. Jadi, teks deskriptif itu adalah suatu teks yang mendeskripsikan atau menjelaskan orang-orang, binatang, benda, atau tempat, baik bentuk, sifat, jumlah, dan ciri-ciri yang lainnya. The social functions of descriptive text is to describe a particular person, place, or things. And the language features of descriptive text are simple present tense, adjective atau kata sifat, action verb, kata kerja yang menunjukkan kegiatan, dan noun atau kata benda. And the generic structure of descriptive text is first, identification. It contains the introductions of a person, place, or object that is being described. Nah, di bagian ini terdapat pendahuluan atau gambaran umum dari topik yang akan dideskripsikan. Second is description. Describe the characteristic, part, qualities of the subject being described. Nah, di bagian ini, benda atau tempat dan orang yang menjadi topik akan dideskripsikan secara lebih detail. Untuk lebih jelasnya, tolong perhatikan contoh teks berikut ini. The identification is found in the first paragraph. Di paragraf pertama, penulis memberikan pendahuluan tentang Tanah Lot sebagai tempat wisata yang terkenal di Bali. Ini terlihat dari kalimat, Tanah Lot is a very famous tourist destination in Bali. The second paragraph until the last paragraphs are description. Paragraf yang kedua mendeskripsikan tentang sejarah dari Tanah Lot. Paragraph 3 describe about the locations of Tanah Lot. And the last paragraph describe about what we can see or enjoy in Tanah Lot. So what about the social functions of the text? The social functions of the text is to describe about Tanah Lot. And the language features used in the text are, of course, first, simple present tense. The text is written using simple present tense. And there are many adjectives found in the text. For example, famous, iconic, easy, rocky, and many more. And then there are also action verbs. For example, come, enjoy, build, and the last noun. For example, destination, Tanah Lot, tourist, and etc. We have already learned about descriptive text. I hope it is useful, and thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye.